Nature resets your mind. We live in a world that's always on: notifications, noise, to-do lists. Stepping into nature can feel like a luxury, but science says it's a necessity. Think about the last time you walked in a park, sat by the ocean, or hiked a trail. Your breathing slowed, your shoulders relaxed, your thoughts cleared. That's not just a mood boost, it's your nervous system responding to the environment it evolved in. Time in nature lowers cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. Research from the University of Michigan shows that even a short walk in a green space can boost memory and attention by 20%. Exposure to natural light helps regulate circadian rhythms, improving sleep and energy levels. Nature also activates the parasympathetic nervous system, putting you in rest and digest mode, where your body repairs and your mind restores. But here's the truth: you don't need to escape to the wilderness. Even 10 minutes in a park or by an open window can help. Try this. Take a green break outdoors during the day. Add plants or natural elements to your workspace. Watch the sunrise or sunset without distractions. Nature is the original reset button, and it's free, waiting for you just outside your door. If this video made you smile, share it with a friend, give it a like, and subscribe for more inspiring videos. This is Living My Better Life, where every day we find small ways to feel better, live better, and think better.